Hey there, future entrepreneurs and savvy shoppers. Ever dreamt of stocking up on fantastic products at unbelievably low prices? Well, buckle up because we're about to dive into the world of bulk buying on AliExpress, your passport to savings and convenience. AliExpress, my friends, isn't just some online marketplace. It's a global phenomenon. Launched back in 2010, this e-commerce giant has been growing faster than a teenager in a growth spurt. We're talking a whopping 60% increase in orders year on year. Millions upon millions of shoppers are flocking to AliExpress every month, and for good reason. Imagine this. You're buying directly from manufacturers, cutting out the middleman, and watching those costs plummet. That's the magic of AliExpress. Plus, with bulk buying, you get to be the master of your inventory, ensuring you've always got the good stuff in stock. So, whether you're a budding dropshipper or just someone who loves a good deal, stick around. We're about to unlock the secrets of bulk buying on AliExpress and set you on the path to e-commerce success. Alright, adventurers, let's talk about finding those hidden gems on AliExpress. Think of the platform as a massive online bazaar, bursting with products of all shapes and sizes. But don't worry, we've got the map and compass to guide you. First things first, fire up that search bar and type in your desired product. But here's the pro tip. Add those magic words, wholesale or bulk. It's like whispering the password to unlock a secret stash of discounted goodies. To narrow down your search even further, use those handy-dandy filters. Want to see the most popular items first? Sort by orders, easy peasy. Now, before you go clicking buy with reckless abandon, let's talk about supplier ratings and reviews. These, my friends, are your secret weapons against dodgy dealers. Look for suppliers with sparkling reviews and high ratings. Think of it like choosing a restaurant. You'd trust the one with rave reviews over the one with questionable hygiene, right? Remember, on AliExpress, knowledge is power. Take your time, browse through different suppliers, compare prices, and always check those reviews. Your future self and your wallet will thank you. Okay, bargain hunters, let's talk numbers. One of the keys to unlocking those sweet bulk discounts is understanding the mystical realm of minimum order quantities, or MOQs, as the cool kids call them. Think of MOQs like the entry fee to the exclusive club of bulk buying. Each supplier sets their own MOQ, which basically means the minimum number of units you need to purchase to get that wholesale price. Don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. Some suppliers have low MOQs, like 10 or 20 units, while others might require a bit more. Now here's where the fun begins. Bulk pricing. Once you hit that magical MOQ number, you'll often see the price per unit drop significantly. It's like a reward for being such an awesome bulk buyer. You can usually find the bulk pricing information right there on the product page, often labeled as bulk price or something similar. Remember, every penny saved is a penny earned or something like that. So, before you hit that add to cart button, make sure you're taking advantage of those bulk discounts. Your bank account will thank you later. Section 4. The Art of the Deal. Negotiating with suppliers. Alright, master negotiators, it's time to channel your inner business tycoon. Here's the thing. On AliExpress, haggling isn't just encouraged, it's practically an art form. And trust me, mastering this art can lead to some serious savings. Before you start firing off messages like a bargain-hunting ninja, remember the golden rule. Communication is key. Be clear, be polite, and be specific about what you're looking for. Let the supplier know the quantity you're interested in, and don't be afraid to ask for a better price. Remember, suppliers are often open to negotiation, especially for larger orders. They want your business just as much as you want their products. But don't just focus on the price tag. Inquire about shipping costs, delivery times, and any potential discounts for repeat customers. Building a good rapport with your suppliers is like investing in a long-term partnership. So be respectful, be professional, and who knows, you might just score yourself a deal that would make even the savviest shopper green with envy. Section 5. Sealing the deal payment, ordering, and top tips. Okay, champions of commerce, you've found the perfect products, negotiated a killer deal, and now it's time to seal the deal and make it rain. Orders, that is. Don't worry, the checkout process on AliExpress is smoother than a freshly paved road. First things first, choose your weapon of choice. Your payment method. AliExpress offers a variety of options, from credit cards to online payment systems. Just make sure you're using a secure payment gateway to keep those pesky cyber gremlins at bay. Once you've entered your payment details, double-check your order to make sure everything's correct product, quantity, shipping address, the whole shebang. Remember, haste makes waste, and nobody wants to end up with 1,000 rubber duckies when they ordered phone cases. Now, before we unleash you upon the world of bulk buying, let's go over some bonus tips for a smooth and successful experience. First, always order samples before committing to a large order. It's better to be safe than sorry, right? Second, communication is your best friend. Keep those lines of communication open with your suppliers, ask questions, and address any concerns promptly. And there you have it, folks. You're now armed with the knowledge and tools to conquer the world of bulk buying on AliExpress. Go forth, be fruitful, and may your shopping carts always be full of amazing deals, of course.